if you buy a real estate as a hotel, basically it's like if you are buying a company, so it's not very convenient. Second scenario, welcome everyone, I'm Fausto Carnevale, international tax consultant, and today we will see how to invest in real estate in Italy. I'm talking about investments, so basically we will see also the taxes when you want to rent your house. So first things is, as we see in other videos, as we have seen, and I hope that this is not your first video, I will invite you, by the way, before starting the video, to subscribe to the channel, and shortly we are international tax consultants specialized on the Italian market. So basically, maybe you don't know, but there are a lot of ways to move to Italy saving a lot of taxes. And now, especially those very days with the news about the unwanted regime, you can live to Italy, pay almost zero taxes. This is not true for the real estate, because in the real estate there is a regulation, there are rules, there are taxes to pay, but in practically what to do and how much taxes would you have to pay. So we will do three separate scenarios. The first, most uncommon, is that you want to buy a hotel in Italy, and this is maybe strange to hear, but there are a lot of people who want to buy a company in Italy, no, as an investment. So we can classify this as a hotel. In case then you buy a hotel, you have to pay the taxes, and the hotel itself will be a company. So in this case it's more complex, because you will have to pay the taxes, the IRPEF, you don't have any reduction if this is a private company. I mean, it's a physical person company like an SNC, simple company. So in this case you don't have any good, we can say. In case you have an SRL, you pay the 24% plus 4% of taxes. But if you buy a real estate as a hotel, basically it's like if you are buying a company, so it's not very convenient. Second scenario is when you are buying a house to rent it long term. What happened in this case? To save taxes, you need to buy a house classified as not a luxury house, not a mansion. You may need to buy some houses, some apartments. Long term, you have a flat tax of 21% called cedolare secca. This cedolare secca from some cities, and I will put right in the comments in the video the link of the Agenzia delle Entrate about the cedolare secca. If you buy the house in some cities like Milan, Venezia, some high populated cities, the flat tax is 10%. I will invite you to translate the link that I put you in the description, because this is very important. Third case, you can, and the most discussed in Italy, Airbnb. What happens if you want to rent short term? Well, in this case, it applies the same things as the cedolare secca. So you have flat tax. What is my thought about that? First of all, when you buy a house in Italy, you don't only need to consider the taxes on your net, on what you are earning, but you also need to consider additional taxes as IMU, as all the other taxes related to the building. So this is a quite good analysis that you can do before buying a house. The thing that I can say to you is that if you want to move to Italy, and maybe you can come to Italy as a holiday in July or in August, and you will see that you will pay roughly, if you rent an Airbnb, a good house, the Airbnb is basically taxed as 21%. Before concluding the video, I would like to remark one thing. This 21% tax, flat tax, it is done because they wanted to avoid the increasing rate of taxes. As you know, in Italy, I already explained the IRPEF. So you know, up to 35,000-40,000 euro, it's 40%, 43% of taxes. So with the flat tax, let's say that you want to invest 1 million euros in 10 apartments and you rent it out, you can pay the 21%, which is good, because then I will invite again to watch the other videos, because the unwanted regime, then you can save a lot of taxes and it doesn't sum. So let's say you have the unwanted regime for your main business, you pay, I don't know, to 10-15% everything with social contribution. This is one thing. The cedolare secca 21% on real estate, it's another thing. It doesn't became the 36% of taxes. No. You have a 100,000 euro profit from your business, you pay 5-10%. We need to do an estimation. Real estate 21%. I hope that it has been clear, but in order to clarify further, I will invite you to check the link that I simply copy-pasted, the link of the Agenzia delle Entrate. So this is the information already available. I just put it in Italian and you will have to translate it. You can use Google Translate. I mean, it's quite easy those days to translate a web page, isn't it? So please subscribe to the channel, and I also would like to remind you how we can help you. We are the #1 English accountant service in Italy. The #1 because we speak English. We are helping a lot of people from all over the world. We have more than 13 countries. So if you need a further assistance, I will invite you to contact us directly via email. This is the best way, via email. So we can tell you, right, our customer service will reply as soon as possible. Normally we reply in 1 day, and we will guide you on your next steps. We will guide you from zero to success, from living in one country to moving to Italy, from having some money to invest and guide you on which are the best alternatives. So until next time, Fausto Carnevale, ESENtaxa. Again, subscribe to the channel, and most important, enjoy your staying in Italy.